That sounds like a great introduction for a video on gaming desktops. If you're looking to expand on that script or add more details about each desktop, I can help you with that. You might want to consider including features, specifications, or even pros and cons for each model. Just let me know how you'd like to proceed. Number 1. STGAubron Gaming Desktop. The STGAubron Gaming Desktop PC has great specs and features that make it great for gamers and other computer users with different needs. This computer is powered by an Intel Core i7-10700KF processor with a clock speed of up to 5.1 GHz. This gives it strong processing power for running multiple tasks and demanding programs at the same time without lagging. It looks like a good choice for gamers and other people who want a powerful computer for a variety of jobs. Its high-performance components, RGB design, and cooling features make it a good choice for gamers and computer users who want to improve their experiences. Specifications. Processor, Intel Core i7-10700KF up to 5.1 GHz 8-core. Memory, 16 GB DDR4 RAM. Storage, 1 TB solid-state drive, SSD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12G GDDR6 video card. Operating system, genuine Windows 11 Home 64-bit. Number 2. Thermaltake Glacier 360 Liquid-Cooled PC. The Thermaltake Glacier 360 Liquid-Cooled PC is a powerful game desktop computer that is ready to use right out of the box. This PC has a mix of parts that work together to give you the best performance and cooling for games and other demanding jobs. It looks like a well-rounded gaming desktop computer with good performance, good cooling, and good comments from users. It has a lot of powerful parts that can be used for both games and general computing, which could make it a good choice for gamers and enthusiasts. Specifications. Processor, AMD Ryzen 5 5600X for strong multi-core performance in gaming and productivity. Graphics, MSI RTX 3060 for smooth gameplay with ray tracing support. Memory, 16 GB RGB 3600 MHz DDR4 tough RAM for efficient multitasking and gaming. Storage, 1 TB NVMe M.2 SSD with fast read/write speeds for games and files. Cooling, liquid-cooled system maintains optimal temperatures during gaming. Case, solid design with minor power button centering issue. Connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi for easy wireless connections. OS, pre-installed Windows 10 Home. Number 3. CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. The CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme G-Shi VR 804812 is a mid-range boutique gaming PC with great speed and value for gamers who don't want to build their own PC. This PC came out in 2022 as part of CyberpowerPC's Gamer Xtreme series. It has a lot of options and features that can be changed to fit different gamers' wants and tastes. Key features and highlights. Performance, faster gaming than major brands like Dell, HP, Intel Core i7-12700F and GeForce RTX 3060 for strong gaming and graphics. Customization, CyberpowerPC offers flexible configurations to match needs and budget within the Gamer Xtreme series, like the G-Shi VR 804812. Design, Onyxia 2 case with RGB circles, tempered glass, and future-ready upgrades. Ports, good connectivity, missing USB Type-C, features USB Type-A, audio jacks, power/reset buttons, and more. Gaming, high FPS and smooth graphics with 12 GB RAM RTX 3060, suits casual and demanding gamers. User reviews, praised for build, cable management, and temperature control. CPU/GPU stay around 70 degrees Celsius, 12 GB RTX 3060 favored. Upgrades, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, potential for more. The system's upgradability is an advantage, ensuring future enhancements. Number 4. Skytech Azure Gaming PC. Powerful technology and high-end features make the Skytech Azure Gaming PC desktop an engaging gaming experience. Its AMD Ryzen 5 5600X engine, RTX 3060 graphics card, and 16GB DDR4 3200 memory ensure seamless gameplay and amazing graphics. A 1TB NVMe SSD delivers adequate capacity and fast load times. The desktop has AC Wi-Fi and a 650W Gold PSU for maximum performance. Windows 10 Home 64-bit offers a familiar and user-friendly interface. Customer reviews praise its multitasking and game-playing abilities. Another Azure gaming PC desktop has an Intel Core i7-12700F processor and NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics for high-performance gaming. Customer reviews highlight its remarkable performance and capabilities. Specifications. Processor, AMD Ryzen 5 5600X 3.7 GHz / Intel Core i7-12700F 2.1 GHz, depending on version. Graphics card, NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti / NVIDIA RTX 4070 depending on version. Memory, 16GB DDR4 3200. Storage, 1TB NVMe SSD. Power supply, 650W Gold PSU. Wireless connectivity, AC Wi-Fi. Operating system, Windows 10 Home 64-bit. Number 5. Alienware Aurora R15 Gaming Desktop. The Alienware Aurora R15 Game Desktop is a high-performance game computer with an Intel Core i9-13900F processor, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD storage, and an NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card. It has liquid cooling, and Windows 11 Home is what it runs on. Customer reviews point out both the good and bad things about the product, such as its speed, looks, mouse and keyboard quality, and problems with the software that came with it. Also, a product specification is an important document that lists the most important needs and details for making a good product. It gives the product creation process context, rules, and a roadmap. Specifications. Processor, Intel Core i9-13900F. Memory, 32GB DDR5 RAM. Storage, 1TB SSD. Graphics, NVIDIA RTX 4070 GDDR6X. Cooling, liquid cooling. Operating system, Windows 11 Home. Color options, dark side of the moon. Number 6. YEYIAN ODACHI Gaming Desktop. The enthusiast-focused YEYIAN ODACHI Gaming Desktop computer is powerful. It has an AMD Ryzen 9 7950X processor, a GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, 32GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, 2TB M.2 SSD plus 2TB HDD storage, and a liquid cooler for thermal control. This VR-ready system has a 1000W Platinum PSU for powerful gaming and multimedia development. Modern connectivity includes USB-C 3.2 and Windows 11 Home pre-installed. With its powerful hardware and cooling solution, this gaming PC delivers a great gaming experience and handles resource-intensive apps well. The product gets good reviews and is marketed to gamers and power users seeking high performance. Specifications. Processor, AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. Graphics card, GeForce RTX 4090. RAM, 32GB DDR5 5600 MHz. Storage, 2TB M.2 SSD plus 2TB HDD. Cooling, liquid cooler. Power supply, 1000W Platinum PSU. Operating system, Windows 11 Home. Connectivity, USB-C 3.2. VR ready, yes. Number 7. Corsair Vengeance i7400. The Corsair Vengeance i7400 series gaming PC is a powerful desktop for gaming and work. It has a liquid-cooled Intel Core i7-13700K CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card for great gaming graphics. The system has 32GB Vengeance RGB DDR5 5600 MHz memory and a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD for quick storage. The Black Tower is modern. This PC is powerful for gamers and content developers. Customer evaluations laud its powerful CPU, GPU, and cooling. Various chores and demanding gaming sessions are effortless with it. Specifications: CPU, liquid-cooled Intel Core i7-13700K. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Memory, 32GB Vengeance RGB DDR5 5600 MHz. Storage, 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. Tower color, black.